What's going on, guys? My name's Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys a tool that I've been using in my videos or that I've just been using on projects in and around the garage. Are you guys still rocking the Mickey Mouse over-ear earmuff hearing protection? You guys are wearing hearing protection, right? Come on. I mean, it's 2023. We're all grown up now. It's time to ditch these things and upgrade. Upgrade some adult hearing protection. These are by Axil. These things are amazing. So these are active noise canceling headphones. These are actually from Shooting Sports, and these things are amazing. First, so you can wear them just as regular earmuffs. They'll work fine for that, but they have a built-in amplifier. So it's got a knob here that you can turn it on, and you can crank up the amplification. So when you're wearing these and the noise levels are normal, you can hear what's going on around you. You can have a conversation with people. Unlike something like this where, you know, everything's muffled, you find yourself yelling a lot. With these, with the amplifier, now you can have a regular conversation. But when the headset detects a loud noise, it instantly kind of shuts those down, turns off the amplifier, kicks in the noise canceling, and it just muffles everything to a level that honestly is probably even superb to just regular old earmuffs. Now what these also have, these are also Bluetooth, so you can link them to your phone. So if you're just working in the garage, you got these things on, you can have the noise you can have the amplifier on, but you don't need to tell your wife that. You can hear her with the amplifier on, but you can still pretend like you can't. That's a bonus right there. But now you can be rocking out, have some tunes going in your hearing protection, and the same thing, once it detects, like you kick on your saw, kick on a grinder, you know, any loud tool turns on, maybe your compressor kicks on while you're standing next to it. These things will, again, the noise canceling will detect that sound, kind of bring everything down and shut out the outside world around you. Still have your music going, so you just can keep working. It said link to your phone. If you need to, you can take a phone call without having to remove your headset. These things are just, these are the next step, basically. I mean, there are plenty of other companies out there that make these. I find this set, I have a regular pair that I've been using for years for shooting, but they don't have Bluetooth, but the noise canceling is really good. I got these specifically for the Bluetooth. Now, if you are a veteran, Axil does offer a really good discount. I forget what it is offhand, but you sign up for like GovX, I think, or ID Me with your military credentials, with your social and all that stuff, you will get a really good discount on your Axil headset. So make sure you check out their website directly. I'll also link to these down below. So pick yourself up a pair and get rid of these old earmuffs. They still have a place. They're good for your kids. They're good for, you know, I guess if you just want to silence something real quick, they have a place. But if you're going to be wearing them a lot, if you're doing a lot of work, and you're going to be working like all day in them, get yourself a set. Now, the only thing that I don't like about these is that they're not rechargeable. They have a battery compartment right here. So it just operates off of 2 AAA batteries, but they're not rechargeable. That's the only thing, that's the only complaint that I really have. I would like to see these be rechargeable, but there may be some out there that are, but the Axil brand just cannot go wrong. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.